Starts right up. This is my aftermarket TPMS. The sensors are in the tires. It'll come on in just a minute, but smooth idle. I mean, you got lights on because it's a drift car. Like, it is what it is, you know. The ABS light is on because the wheel speed sensors up front aren't hooked up. The traction control light is flashing because that's disconnected. Check engine light, I think, is just a downstream O2 code. But I can double check that, but I'm pretty sure that's where it is. I didn't care about it because it's a, you know, whatever. CD trans, the shifter is okay. Like, it works fine, but it's not the best. But I'll just take you on a little drive. And the transmission is loud, but I've had other guys with Nissans 350s and G35s, and like theirs sound the same and everything. It's got an aftermarket 6-plug clutch and everything, so the clutch is noisy, but it's still easy to drive. It's not hard to drive, but you know, it makes some sound because it's a drift car, you know. Gonna take it around the block so you can see. It's definitely a lot faster than that 4Runner. It's no, you know, like Speed Demon or whatever, but it's not chugging along. If I had some better way to hold this, I'd go on the highway and do a pull or something. Maybe I'll get my well, no, I was going to get my wife to ride along, but she recently broke her tailbone, so she can't really ride along. I just did the same thing with my 240. The people in the neighborhood are probably like, what the fuck is this guy doing? I'm going to do a little pull here as long as I come around the corner and I don't see anybody. There are cops that live in my neighborhood too, so let me put my fucking seatbelt on. Okay. Nothing to see here. They've come on. You got tire temp and PSI and all of them. It sure is fucking fun to drive. I'm gonna miss it, that's for sure. Whether I sell it or trade it, whatever. That intersection is kind of shitty.